Nasdaq basically is changing the trend. It is doing something unexpected very soon. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. And I want you to finish this video today. This is a critical if you hold any Nasdaq or US stock. Well, okay, this channel is just for education purpose. We don't recommend you to do any trade. So now we look at Nasdaq. Basically, I want to give you the long-term strategy and short-term strategy for Nasdaq, any stock today. And you have to watch this video if you hold any stock. So basically, Nasdaq for long-term, basically it has been going down since July 19th until this day, until last Friday, 10th of November. What's going on is this day. So basically, right before that, I give you a bit warning about, oh, you may pull back a little bit. Basically, it pull back just a little bit, like 2 days. Okay, there is a big drop on this day, 1 day before the 10th. And the momentum is good enough for it to have a big candle. 2% for the index is huge already. And above, we stay above this downward trend line. So basically, what does it mean is this downward trend is over. Now we are in the upward trend, but not yet confirmed. What is the confirmation signal? If you don't have my indicator, basically you need the confirmation like higher high and higher low. You can see right now, we have the higher high already here and here, okay, compared to the previous one. We still miss one low, a higher low, okay? So when will the higher low happen? When will you start to pull back? Today, I want to give you the warning about this, okay? So basically, if you look at my indicator called YM Club Long, this one can tell you the trend. So congratulations, this day, basically on this day, even before they broke through the trend line, on 7th of November, they go upward stably. Okay, so both line, the red line and blue line go upward. The blue line is the long-term trend. The red line is the short-term trend. Both line go upward. This is an upward trend confirmed. It's not even rebounds. Okay, so what happened is right now, you can see the blue line. So let me hide these two for you to see better. We have this trend line, the downward trend is over, but we have one gap here. And this is also our previous peak. Okay, that one is about 14,100. And basically, we are having a resistance here. You see here. Another thing I want you to check is the RSI. RSI, we use RSI 14. Okay, and you can see the RSI right now is 68. 68 is quite high. 68 is quite, it's not yet 70. It's possible we still go up a little bit. We still go up a little bit. And then when you confirm the overbought and they come down again, and then it's confirmed the overbought is done, you will have a pullback. But pullback is not bad. It's not bad. Okay, basically, pullback is good because in all of our upward trend, like we have a pullback. For example, here, downward trend, they confirm by broke through the trend line and they come back to retest this trend line. Look at here as well. There's a downward trend. They go above this trend line. They take so many times to try to break through this trend line and finally broke through. They come back to retest the supports because this trend line from resistance become support. And same right now. So we are having a resistance for the gap and also previous peak. Also, the RSI is relatively high. Okay, so is it possible they pull back very soon? Yes. So the risk reward level right now for short-term trader, the risk is higher than the reward. Okay, so I repeat, the risk is higher than the reward for short-term trader. Okay, if you're a long-term trader, basically you can see right now we already broke through this trend line. So if you don't hold any stock, you can wait after you pull back to buy, or you wait for your indicator. You can use my indicator to buy. So I have two indicators. If you're a long-term trader, use the blue one. When they come around the blue line, you buy, okay? Remember, this blue line is going upward, okay? So another thing is you can use the gap as an indicator as well. the gap is a support here. So it's possible you come back to the gap and go up, or they go to the second gap and then they go up. Also possible. It's possible they go lower and then they go up. Okay, so this is something you need to be head up. So right now, should we short the trade? Should we short the Nasdaq? The answer is no, because I have told you this one is quite strong trend, and I want you to see the YM big buy. The YM big buy is a short-term indicator to see the net volume for net buy or net sell. Okay, so when you see this rebounds, it's only a rebound and quite short. Why? Because the YM big buy here, they have a red candle. What does it mean, red candle? It means they stop and they have a net sales more than the net buy for big volume trade. So they stop and then they go up. This one also, they stop, they go up. So the rebound is relatively short. Another thing I want you to see is right now here. Basically, we did not have the red candle. We did not have a red candle. It's a big candle to go above zero. So it's quite a strong momentum. We go above this trend line. Okay, we go here. And one thing I want you to see, why I say don't short, because we don't like also risk reward level. If they stop here, they rebound, it's quite short for you to rebound. And so I don't recommend you to do any short and not to do any long as well. Okay, for the index, because it's possible we are going to pull back very soon. So I just want to give you a bit head up. Of course, you can use your own strategy. You can use your own strategy. But if you don't have a strategy, just learn before you earn. And one thing I want to show you is the YM cheapest. So YM cheapest is telling you the institution holding over the locked individual. I've mentioned in my previous video, when we have the green chips here, basically the stock cannot rebound too long. Okay, cannot rebound too long. We have to shake out, we have to kick out all the green. Only the red happen and the purple going up. This is a stronger trend. We have a possible going upward and go far. Okay, so right now it's happening. We don't have green and the red is going up and we have a lot of red. Okay, so hopefully you have a small pullback and then we go up again, just like previously. Okay, just like previously. It's the same thing. If you check, okay, for example, when you check here, they go above the trend line, they come back to retest, but look at the chips. They still have a lot of green chips here, green bar, a lot. Okay, it's more than the red. So what happened is we still go down. I repeat, we still go down because we have a lot of green inside. When we have a lot of red, for example, here, when they go above this trend line, they have so much red, they don't have green, they have a long blue one. Okay, so right now we don't have the green here. We don't have. Okay, so for example, it always like this. If you draw a trend line, you can see it with your stock as well. So if we draw a trend line here, and they go under this trend line, they try to break through, but it failed. What happened is one day they go above this trend line, they come to retest this trend line. You see, it's so beautiful, this chart. And the green is still have a lot. The red going up, yes, but still have a lot of green. So is it good enough momentum to go up? It still go up from 11,000 to 13,000, but it's not high. And then they come back down. They come back down just like this one. They come back down. Okay, so we need to have a lot of red here. Okay, to have a long bull one. Okay, so you can check your stock. Is very good indicator for you to see. First, check the YM club long. Is it going up? And the YM cheapest, the red bar size and the green bar size. Compare with those two. One thing I want to give a bit head up, if you have my indicator, you can also use YM club long, especially you are a short-term trader. You can use it as a indicator to do buy and sell. Again, I'm not your financial advisor, but it is an indicator to tell you when the stock is strong, and so you can buy and hold, until it's weak and you sell and you hold the money. Okay, so it's a very good indicator for short term. For long term, you combine YM Club long, YM Club fast, YM cheapest. And also I have other indicator for you to make sure the fund is coming in to catch the lowest point like this. Okay, so today is the update here, and I will give you another update for Tesla. And I see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Love and peace. Bye.